Unraveling the meaning of cooking up trouble. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, cooking up trouble. This expression is a fantastic example of how English uses vivid imagery to convey complex ideas. So, let's get started and see what's cooking. Cooking up trouble is an idiomatic expression in English. Idioms are phrases where the words together have a meaning that's different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. To cook up something generally means to prepare food by cooking. However, when used metaphorically, as in cooking up trouble, it means to create or devise something, particularly problems or schemes, often with a negative connotation. Let's break it down further. Cooking, here is a metaphor for creating or preparing. It implies an active process, like someone mixing ingredients to prepare a dish. Trouble refers to problems, difficulties, or disturbances. So, when someone is cooking up trouble, they are not in the kitchen preparing a meal but metaphorically mixing ingredients that will lead to problems or disturbances. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from playful to serious. In a playful context, it might refer to someone planning a harmless prank. The kids are in the backyard, cooking up trouble with their new game. In a more serious context, it could describe someone plotting a scheme with harmful intentions. He's been cooking up trouble, trying to sabotage the project. Understanding the context is key to interpreting the phrase correctly. Cooking up trouble is a phrase that showcases the English language's creativity in expressing ideas. Similar phrases with the same metaphorical use of cooking include cooking up a storm or cooking up a plan. Each variation retains the idea of preparation and creation but applies it to different end results. And there you have it. We've unpacked the meaning of cooking up trouble and explored its usage in English. Remember, idioms like this one add color and depth to our language, allowing us to express complex ideas in a few words. We hope this video has enlightened you and added a new expression to your English repertoire. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Keep learning, keep exploring, and as always, happy language learning!